Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to see what is independent variable and what is dependent variable in graph. When we study about graph, we get confused what we have to write in x-axis and what we have to write on y-axis. So always we write independent variables in x-axis and dependent which is dependent on x-axis values, for example, which is dependent on variable of x-axis that we write on y-axis. Okay, so for example, if you went to a restaurant for pizza and you are eating pizza there, so number of pizzas which you are ordering, that is independent, that is on your own choice, so it is independent. But the amount which you have to pay to that owner, that is dependent on the number of pizza which you are ordering. So it is not independent, it is dependent on the number of pizza which you have ordered. So that time you can't say that I will pay according to my own wish. So that is not independent, it is dependent on the number of pizza which you have ordered. So in this way, number of pizza will become on x-axis, it is independent variable, and the total amount which you have to pay will come on y-axis. So in this way we see which value has to come on x-axis and which one has to come on y-axis. Now one question for you dear student, try to solve it. Cost of petrol means total cost of petrol and liter of petrol. So in this, which one is dependent and which one is independent? One more question which you can try is, hours a student studied and the marks he or she got, so which one is dependent here and which one is independent? And third question is distance with respect to time. Time is changing, with that distance is also changing, so you have to tell which one is dependent here and which one is independent here, means on which the second variable is depending. Okay, distance and time, little hint I am giving you. Time is changing, with that distance is changing. For example, in first second 5 meter, in second second 10 meter. So on time, distance is depending. So now you have to think on x-axis what will come, on y-axis what will come. Hope you have understood this topic students. Let me know in the comment section which topic or chapter you want me to cover next. Thank you, bye.